Hey there, it's Michael here, and welcome back to another Happy English Sunday Speak. Every Sunday, I'll be here with a quick one-point tip to help you speak English more naturally. One thing you need to know how to do in English is to communicate that you understood what someone said. Like if someone gives you directions on the street, you could say, "Oh, okay, I understand." And sure, that's correct English, but it can sound a little formal or stiff in everyday conversation. So instead of that, you can use the compact form of "I understand," gotcha. Gotcha is the short and quick version of "I got what you said." I got what you said. Gotcha. Like, your friend says, "Let's meet at 7 instead of 6. You can just reply, "Gotcha." Or your coworker says, "Hey, don't forget to send that email before lunch." And you can answer, "Gotcha." Or when someone gives you directions, "Turn left at the bank and then right at the gas station." You can simply say, "Turn left and then right." Gotcha. It's short, it's casual, and it sounds supernatural. So next time, instead of "I understand," try saying "Gotcha." And remember to like, follow, and subscribe so you won't miss the next Happy English podcast and next week's Sunday Speak. Hey, thanks for listening, and until next time, keep learning and keep it cool.